Eggplant is one of the most profitable income that brings in this village. Eggplant is one thing people don't know and they haven't seen it before. This is the examples and evidence of eggplant. Look at this leaf right here. It produces eggs on the plants. As you can see, these leaves, it produce eggs. Why you see here, look at the eggs. That's the eggs you see on the plant. It is called eggplant. Let me show you how it looks like. It is an egg. You can see it is an egg. It is an egg. You can cook it, you can boil it, you can eat it. It's good. It's good. It is an egg. It's called eggplant.